how to find Kraken wallet address, or how to find the wallet address on Kraken. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Mr. and today I'll guide you on how you can find or get Kraken wallet address. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy through this video. In order to get the wallet address on Kraken, all you have to do is simply open up the Kraken app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you want to simply go ahead here. I'll just log in real quick. Now your home page should look somewhat like this. On your home page, all you have to do is simply tap on the deposit tab. You can see buy deposit option, send and more as well, but you want to tap on deposit tab. You want to find the deposit tab. Now here I need to verify my identity, but if you have already verified your identity, once you tap on deposit, it will give you the option to deposit the crypto, right? Then you want to select the token that you would like to deposit, and once you tap on it, you shall get the address, the deposit address, and that will be your wallet address for the particular crypto that you would like to deposit. That is how you can get the wallet address on Kraken. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.